This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you cook delicious dal in a rice cooker, simplifying your meal preparation. First, choose your preferred dal, like a cup of masoor or tor. Wash it thoroughly under cool, running water until the water becomes perfectly clear. Soaking the dal for about 20 to 30 minutes before cooking can significantly help reduce its overall cooking time, ensuring a wonderful texture. Achieving the ideal consistency for your dal starts with the correct water ratio. For every 1 cup of dal you use, you will need between 2.5 to 3 cups of fresh water. This specific ratio ensures your dal cooks perfectly, becoming wonderfully soft without turning mushy. You should also add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for its vibrant color, and a few drops of oil can help prevent frothing. You can truly elevate the dal's flavor by adding a few simple ingredients directly into the rice cooker. Consider dicing half of a small onion for a foundational savory taste. Minced ginger and garlic, about 1 small clove and a 1/2-inch piece respectively, will introduce a lovely aromatic warmth. For those who enjoy a little kick, a small green chili, slit lengthwise, adds a subtle heat profile. Now it is time to combine all your prepared ingredients. Gently place the washed dal, the precise amount of water, turmeric, and any aromatics like onion or garlic into the rice cooker pot. Secure the pot inside, close the lid firmly, and then simply set your rice cooker to its standard cook or rice setting. Once the cook cycle concludes, allow the dal to naturally rest on keep warm for 10 to 15 minutes, achieving perfect tenderness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.